Hey there! Have you ever tried to burn belly fat but just couldn't seem to get anywhere? Well, you're not alone, but don't worry. There are some simple tips that can help you burn belly fat fast. First off, you need to make a calorie deficit. This means you need to consume fewer calories than you're burning in a day. You can do this by eating a healthy diet that is low in calories and high in fiber. You should also be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Another way to burn belly fat fast is to incorporate high-intensity interval training (HIIT) into your routine. This type of workout is great because it gets your heart rate up, which helps to burn calories. HIIT workouts can be done in as little as 20 minutes and can be as intense as you want them to be. Finally, getting enough sleep is crucial for burning fat. Lack of sleep can actually increase cortisol levels, which can hinder fat loss. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body burn fat more efficiently. So there you have it, some tips on how to burn belly fat fast. Remember to make a calorie deficit, incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine, and get enough sleep each night. With a little effort, you'll soon be shedding those extra pounds and achieving that fit, toned body you've always wanted.